Welcome back. As always, I will start with the key message. Plato's allegory of the cave is a metaphor for the human condition, and we must strive to overcome our limited perspectives. In other words, don't sit in a cave thinking you are right. Now over to John. In this video, John Vervaeke discusses the ideas of Plato and his psychological theory. Plato was deeply affected by the death of his mentor, Socrates, and wanted to understand why Athens had killed him. He used the two worlds mythology, which describes a lower, less real world, and a higher, more real world. However, instead of turning it into a historical answer, Plato used it to create a psychological theory. According to Plato, the psyche has different parts that can either work together or conflict with each other. These parts include the appetites, emotions, and reason. He argued that we need to properly order these parts to reduce inner conflict and become more in touch with reality. To illustrate this journey of self-transcendence, Plato used his famous parable, the cave. In this story, people are trapped in a cave, seeing only shadows on the wall. However, one person manages to escape and discovers the real world outside. This story represents the journey of coming into greater contact with reality and gaining wisdom. Plato believed that the real patterns of the world are what makes something be what it is, and this can be understood through the logos. The logos is the structure that holds everything together, and it can be accessed through reasoning and understanding. Overall, Plato's psychological theory is still relevant today and can help us navigate the crisis of meaning that many people are facing in modern society. By properly ordering our psyche and coming into greater contact with reality, we can achieve wisdom and a fuller, more meaningful life. Now over to me again. One thing I have noted that helped me understand the context of John's ideas is Joseph Campbell and his book, The Hero with 1,000 Faces. According to Campbell, myth provides a framework for interpreting the world around us and give us a sense of purpose and meaning. Therefore, myth can be used to understand the human experience and our place in the world. It can also help us transcend our individual concerns and connect with something greater than ourselves.